Okay, so I found bumper stickers that could be like controversial. Many people use bumper stickers to share their like opinion and like since it's like a cheap way to get their message out to people. However, like it can be offensive to like other people because they have different opinions and thoughts about bumper stickers, or like they have different thoughts about everything. And like in most cases, the bumper stickers are a form of speech protected by the First Amendment. So like take for instance, there was this case about, his name was Wayne Baker and he was a truck driver from Alabama. And stated in Bumper Stickers Newseum Institute, he had a bumper sticker that stated, "How's my driving? Call 1-800-EAT-SHIT." And he was stopped by an officer named Officer Glover. And the officer was with the Department of Public Safety, and he warned Baker about the obscenity law in Alabama, and it said that like it's unlawful for any person to display any public bumper stickers, signs, or writings that have obscene language or bad like sexual activities. And the officer told him to remove it or face punishment. And so Baker scratched the offensive language out of the bumper sticker, and he later filed a lawsuit on the officer because he thought the law violated his First Amendment rights. As stated in the United States District Court, Baker versus Glover, Judge Myron H. Thompson was the judge, and he judged in favor of Baker in that the bumper sticker was not obscene under the law. In the ruling, Judge Thompson had explained that the truck driver's bumper sticker had serious value, as the bumper sticker is a protected speech under the First Amendment, and that it also has literary and political value. He also stated that it's kind of like the other bumper stickers that are all out there about "How's my driving? Call 1-800-2-ADVISE." And he just talked about how the riddles and puns and proverbs about that were like kind of similar to all of them. And despite the Glover decision, few states have laws prohibiting offensive or obscene bumper stickers. Tennessee is a state that has one of these laws. It talks about how the law is to avoid distracting other drivers and thereby reducing the likelihood of any crashes or lack of attention and concentration on roads because of all the bumper stickers and everything that happens on the motor vehicle that can attach to anybody's eyesight, or it can get in the way of anybody seeing it. And that owner of the vehicle that has anything displayed on it will get a fine of $2, no less than $2, or nor more than $50. Another example was in Missouri, in the case of Conley versus Walsh. It revolved around a juvenile court official that had a bumper sticker on her car that was something to do with a political, I think it was somebody she was voting for, and for being a president, and since she placed a political bumper sticker in her vehicle, on her vehicle, after she was being advised on a memo that she got for her job that you're not allowed to be involved or anything political, and that included bumper stickers. And after she got terminated, she filed a lawsuit against the juvenile court officials, and the federal judge sided with the court officials and found that the juvenile court could reasonably conclude that any partisan bumper sticker could result in a material and substantial interference with duties, and that a compelling state interest in promoting the effectiveness or anything to do with getting in the way of her job could justify the prohibition of all political bumper stickers. And I just think that it should be like, everybody should be able to, like, have their own opinions with bumper stickers. Like, you don't want to cause any grievance by using, like, vulgar or profane language. Like, you don't need that, and, like, you don't need to use, like, profanity. You don't need to use bad language. You don't need to have negatives. You don't really want to cause any problems. You don't want to pay fines. So I think it's, like, better off if you just do what you want to do and just have it, like, the safe way. I mean, I don't have any bumper stickers on my car, and I probably will never have any. So, yeah.